So you guys can see that it's working. We picked up a lot of stuff. Hello. Today we're taking a look at Greenote's cordless vacuum. As we can see, it comes nice and packaged inside. It comes with very many different extensions. Standard 2-prong power supply. Portable battery. Here is your main brush. Little cute mounting bracket for putting on the wall. Place your battery underneath here like this, and then press to turn it on. You can adjust the speed by pressing here, and that's your battery level. So you guys can see that it's working. We picked up a lot of stuff, probably mostly pet hair from our pet, but overall it does work. You can adjust, the level here. But yeah, nice.